Oh, it's recording? Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Nick Fitness. I'm here with Zekey right now. We're at the HYPERGLOW very soon. We're still on the train. We're close. Yo! Move, you know what I'm saying?
Well, you didn't even give me like 3 seconds of this, bro. I'm fake. Alright. Show them what you wearing. Hold on.
Watch this. Wait for this.
You got nice.
The deep.
Michael Jordan.
So I have to fix this old male stripper at part time. I have this on usually like all the time. I was like, you know what? Let me bring it out tonight.
Lick his ear.
No, are we? Yo, back up!
That's what it's gonna be another pizzeria.
Nah, that's open 24 hours. When we come back, it's gonna be open. Yeah, sure.
Am I gonna be on YouTube? Am I gonna be YouTube famous?
That dick make her happy. She a shooter like I'm Pepe. I'm not gonna be happy.
For the vlog.
For the vlog. Burn out, burn out, burn out. Come on, bro. No days off. 1, 2.
Are you ready for the most spectacular show on earth? Yo, fat boy, we about to do this pie eating contest right now.
Doing a pie eating contest?
Yo, I need you to get that $100. Finger, drop that shit.
We go with the crowd vote, you know what I'm saying? Hold on, wait a minute. We're gonna do it one more time. Is it her? Is it her? Is it her? Hold on, wait. Is it her? Is it her?
Yo, what? Show me the 7. Oh my God, his 7 fell off his jersey.
That's what happens when Mel leaves the Knicks, bro.
Yo, what?
Rollers got me sweating, but the room getting colder. Looking at the devil and the angel on my shoulder. Will I die tonight? I don't know, is it over? Looking for my next high, I'm looking for closure. Laying with me, pop with me, get high with me. If you rock with me, smoke with me, drink with me.